Jammu and Kashmir. Mr. Kichlu is addressing the media. Let's listen in.
Communal harmony and brotherhood in the state. Certain unfortunate incidents happened in Kishtwar, which I reservedly condemn. Honorable CM Saab, unreservedly condemn. Honorable Chief Minister has ordered a judicial inquiry by a retired judge of High Court to unravel the truth. Truth must come out, culprits must be identified, and those responsible must be punished. Certain political parties, for their petty ends, are trying to malign my name by blaming me for the incidents that happened on the festival of Holy Eid. I am innocent. I have done no wrong. My conscience is clear. My electorate of Kishtwar vouch for my secular credential, and I am deeply hurt that for petty political ends, some people have stooped me low as to accuse me for something I have not done. I take strong exception to what Mr. Arun Jaitley said. Did Modi resign after Godhra? What happened to Amit Shah, who is now the star campaigner of BJP in Uttar Pradesh? Those who live in glass houses should not throw stones on others. PDP says I am to be blamed. I am to be blamed for ensuring that PDP has no presence and existence in Chenab Valley. I want that the truth should come out. Honorable Chief Minister, as I said, has ordered a judicial probe. My conscience does not allow me to continue as a minister till the probe files its finding. I discussed the call of my conscience with my party colleagues, and I have decided to proceed from the party headquarters to Honorable Chief Minister's residence to tender my resignation to Honorable Chief Minister, so that my presence does not cast a shadow on the independent probe. Mr. Omar Abdullah is my leader, and I have full faith in him, and above all, I have an enduring faith in Almighty, and truth shall prevail and justice will be done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is all the Honorable Minister has made a statement.
No question.
Let the probe answer
No
the
question. Probe will be completed.
Let the probe get completed.
Darshan ji.